Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to optimize your Cronus Zen for Rust's 2025 updates on new-gen consoles. First, ensure your Cronus Zen is properly connected to your console and controller using the provided USB cables. You'll need a data-capable USB cable for the console connection and a compatible cable for your controller. Make sure your Zen's OLED screen powers on, indicating it's receiving power and ready for setup. This initial connection is foundational for all subsequent steps. Next, you need to update your Cronus Zen's firmware to the latest version. Connect your Zen to your PC using the rear prog USB port and open the Zen Studio software. Navigate to the Programmer tab and select the newest available firmware, typically labeled for 2025 compatibility. After updating, search for the specific Rust game pack designed for new-gen consoles. Ensure it's the most recent version to support Rust's current mechanics effectively. Optimizing your in-game Rust settings is crucial for Zen's effectiveness. Inside Rust, set your controller sensitivity to a moderate level, usually between 0.6 and 0.8 for initial setup. Ensure your dead zone settings are as low as possible, ideally at 0, to allow the Zen to register subtle inputs precisely. Adjust your field of view or FOV to a comfortable setting. A standard 90-100 FOV generally works well with most game packs. These base settings prevent conflicts with Zen's script values. Now, let's dive into tuning your Zen game pack script. Once the Rust game pack is loaded, use your controller to navigate its menu, often accessed by holding specific buttons like View and Menu simultaneously. Focus on adjusting the anti-recoil values for different weapons directly within the script. Start with subtle adjustments, increasing or decreasing values by increments of 5 to 10 until recoil is minimized. Experiment with rapid fire and aim assist settings, but remember less is often more for a natural feel. Finally, it's time to thoroughly test your configurations in-game. Spend time in combat tags or practice servers, adjusting your anti-recoil settings on the fly for various weapons. If you encounter issues, check for new Zen Studio updates or game pack revisions, as games like Rust frequently update. Remember to use these tools responsibly and respectfully. Continuous fine-tuning and staying updated will ensure you maintain peak performance and enjoy your gameplay experience without interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.